Without a structural web holding those ideas together, any prompt requiring the AI to synthesize multiple disparate facts causes the system to break down completely. Let's put this to the test with a specific diagnostic question. Who worked with Albert Einstein after he met Max Planck? Answering this requires the AI to make two distinct jumps. First, it has to locate the specific event of the Planck meeting. Then, it must scan forward chronologically from that exact date to find a collaborator. The AI answers with total confidence that the person was Niels Bohr. The response sounds highly plausible, and it is entirely incorrect. Look at this diagram showing the mechanical failure behind the scenes. The algorithm simply retrieved two famous physicists often associated with Einstein in its database and smashed them together into a single answer. It completely bypassed the chronological timeline axis required by the prompt. In historical reality, the major collaborations between Einstein and Bohr occurred before that key meeting with Planck. The AI completely ignored chronological reality. Because standard RAG systems can only see isolated data nodes and miss the broader narrative, complex relational reasoning is mechanically impossible under these conditions. That fabricated historical answer is an inevitable outcome of the system's underlying design. The AI is restricted by what we call single-hop queries. The machine can only grab one isolated fact at a time. It cannot jump from point A to point B to point C to build a logical chain of thought. The system also suffers from the lost-in-the-middle phenomenon. When processing lengthy documents, the AI becomes overwhelmed by the volume of text, dropping crucial variables located right in the center of the page. Using standard RAG is like giving your AI a tiny flashlight in a massive pitch-black library. It illuminates one sentence, maybe one paragraph at a time, but it has absolutely zero awareness of how that single book relates to all the other books on the shelves. Relying on flat, disconnected vector databases for complex enterprise intelligence ensures that the system will always operate with massive blind spots. We fix this by introducing a structural upgrade. GraphRag. See you next time.